Well, thanks to Honda and their brilliant engineering by placing the control arm right below the oil filter, apparently a lot of the oil got caught in the lower control arm and later on spilled over onto my pavers. Alright, here it is, the Chomp Pull It Out Concrete Oil Stain Remover. Got myself a nylon brush here. Let's check it out. More powerful oil stain lifting formula, deeper penetration, yada yada, biodegradable. Let's check out the instructions here. Remove as much surface soil. That's what the brush is for. We'll be doing that first. Shake well. Pour a quarter size drop on the test area and let it dry. Couple of hours. Next, agitate thoroughly with a stiff brush, and if satisfied, process the entire area. All right, let's go try this thing out. All right, here's a spot that we may testing this thing out on. Got some of that cat litter that I used before. Apparently that didn't work, so there's still some oil left. Let's scrub this thing down, get as much dirt and crud off. All right, let's test this thing out. Chomp, pull it out. Shake it up. Instruction says a quarter-sized drop. Let's see. A little more than a quarter size, more like a $50. But yeah, got it right in the edge there. So let's let that settle in, and we'll be back in a couple of hours. All right, guys, we're here the next day. Apparently I wasn't recording myself scrubbing it off, but as you can see, it did come off. Came off perfectly. Mind you, this is 40-degree dry weather, so I'm not sure how humidity and temperature affects the results, but it does work. Just did a light scrubbing with a toilet or dish bottle brush or whatever from Walmart. So yeah, it looks like it works. It works great. I was worried considering a lot of the products on Amazon had terrible reviews and just plainly did not work. Although this product being expensive, $50 a gallon, but as you can see the results here, it does work. So if you want to go try out a bottle, I have a link in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. Alright everyone, I decided to give it another try. I added some more product yesterday on those oil spots over here and over here. Today it's freezing cold, it's like 35 degrees, and there was a light drizzle last night, so I'm not sure how that affected the results, but let's see here. This is the old spot we did before, that test spot. Let's see how well it went. All gone. It's all gone. Amazing. So this thing works really well overnight. And all right, this one here, as you can see, I need to add a little bit more. You can see the little ring spot around there, but as you can see, it took it right out, the concentration that's in the middle.